Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for 24th May, Monday. So this analysis is for 24th May, Monday only. If you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. And if you're a complete beginner, you have no idea how the market works and you want to learn about the functioning of the market, then I have uploaded few videos. You'll find it in my YouTube channel, Forex and Stock Learning Course of Beginners. I have uploaded 32 videos and I have arranged the videos in the form of a course so that you get the basic idea about the functioning of the market and how the chart works. Okay, so you can check these videos out if you are a complete beginner, and if you want to take a personal class with me, if you want to learn personally from me, then you can go to my website and visit this particular section where you'll find my contact details and the other required information. Okay, so now let's switch to the Euro USD chart. So this is the chart of Euro USD, and as you can see, I'm in the 4 hours time frame, my beloved and favorite time frame. And if we just look at the chart, then there is no doubt that market is an uptrend. Okay, and I have already discussed in my previous videos that um, 50 moving average is a valid support to the market. Okay, because on numerous instances we can easily see that market is taking support. Okay, here, almost here also. Okay, and here, here. So on numerous instances, market took support at the 50 moving average, and 50 moving average provided the required support to the market. Therefore 50 MA is a valid support to the market, and as I always say, we should always look for the area of value in the market. Okay, right now this market is in uptrend. Okay, therefore the area of value or the best trading opportunity for us will be near this support, and as I've already mentioned, 50 moving average is the support. Therefore, if the best trading opportunity will also be available near the 50 moving average. Okay, and as the market is an uptrend, therefore we will only be looking for buying opportunity. Okay, because if we go for a shorting opportunity in an uptrend market, then you may get trapped. Okay, and if you are a beginner and you do not have much experience, then you should always stay with the trend. Okay, therefore we will only look for buying opportunity. Okay, so now let's switch to the weekly time frame. And as you all know, I am a fan of multi-time frame analysis because I get to see the bigger picture. I am a fan of multi-time frame analysis. And in this weekly time frame, we can see that this week market formed a shooting star kind of a pattern. Market tried to go up, but market failed to sustain the price. Previous week market formed a pin bar kind of a pattern with price rejection from below. Okay, and so if we look at the candle from the first week of May and the second week of May, we can see that bulls were present. This week bulls try to take the price upward, but bulls fail. So one thing is very clear to us, that bulls are present in the market, but at certain price level. Okay, at certain price level, sellers are there in the market who are not allowing the market to go up. Because see, this week market tried to go up, market failed. Okay, and here also around couple of weeks back, market tried to go up, market failed to cross the line. So this is a valid resistance for the market. So it's double two double three, 1.2233. So we have a resistance from the weekly chart. Now let's switch to the 4 hours chart. Okay, see, this is the uh, in this 4 hours chart, this level looks like a small, okay, this level looks like a small resistance or a normal resistance, but weekly chart has given us the picture that yes, market tried to cross this level previously also, but market failed. So this level or this resistance is not that simple. Okay, so this level has got some importance. Okay, so what should be a strategy for the Monday then? Okay, so one thing we have understood, that 50 moving average is a valid support. Okay, first thing that we have from the chart is 50 MA as the support, and right now we have 0. 1.2233. Okay, this level as a support in the weekly chart. Okay, though market is an uptrend, but this level is acting as a resistance to the market. So for Monday, our strategy is we'll have to wait for the market. We'll have to wait for the market opening and just see and observe the price. If we look at this price, then we can easily see that right now market is just standing at the support. You can see that market has formed a the last candle formed by market was green. Okay, green in color, and market is also in the oversold zone. So on Monday, if market gives us a positive signal that yes, bulls are still present in the market is still respecting 50 moving average as a valid support, then we can go for a buy order. Okay, because I would like to show you one more thing here, and I have already shown you in previous videos that apart from this 50 moving average, we also have a trend line here. Okay, we have a trend line here as a support. So we have got two supports for the market. Okay, in this current price level. Okay, so there is a good amount of possibility that if market comes down and reaches or crosses the 50 moving average, market will be getting support. Okay, therefore there's a good amount of possibility if market goes towards the downside on Monday after market opening, that market will be getting the required support. So if market gives us a positive signal that yes, I am I'm cool, no need to worry, you can go for buy order. If we get the signal from the market that yes, bulls are still there, then we can go for a buy order here. Okay, we can go for a buy order at the support. But do remember your take profit target will be this level. Okay, 1.2233, because the market has got resistance, so it will be wise enough to book your profits at this particular level. Okay, you do not need to risk. On the other hand, when market will be reaching this particular level, okay, just book your profits and come out. Okay, if market reverses from this particular level, okay, if you want to go for a quick profit, if you have got some experience in counter trend trading, okay, counter trend trading, then you can short the market. But remember, you need to be very quick and you need to be in front of your laptop or computer for all the time as long as you are on the trade. Okay, and otherwise you can wait for the market to cross this particular level, 1.2233 level. Okay, if market crosses this level, wait for 4 to 8 hours and just see how the price is doing. If you see that price is trading comfortably, no such problem, price is not struggling, then you'll get a confirmation that the resistance has become the support and you can go for a buy order above this level. Okay, so the first trading opportunity is after the market opening, observe the market, because right now market is standing at a support. If things look good, you can go for a buy order, okay, at the support. On the other hand, okay, if market reverses from this particular level, resistance level 1.2233, 1.2233 level, okay, book your profits and come out. If you are an experienced trader, you can go for counter trend trading, okay, but if you're a beginner, do not need to short the market. Wait for the market to cross this level. If market comfortably crosses this level, you can go for a buy order. Okay, but do remember, wait for the market. Wait for the market to trade comfortably above the resistance level. Let the resistance become the support. Then only you should go for buying order above this level. Okay. Otherwise, your only trading opportunity is this level, this trend line, or this 50 moving average at the support, so that your risk to reward ratio matches. Okay, hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.